In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Flo app. This app is designed to help you track your menstrual cycle and reproductive health. Let's get started with the first step. First, open Google Play on your device. This action will take you to the marketplace where you can find and download various applications. On the screen, you will see the Google Play logo and a search bar at the top. This is important because accessing the App Store is the initial step toward getting Flo app. You will be able to search for the app you need and begin the installation process. Once you have Google Play open, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, search for Flo in the search bar. You can do this by tapping on the search icon and typing in Flo. As you type, suggestions may appear to help guide you. Once you see the Flo app icon, tap on it to access the app's page. You will notice the app description, user ratings, and an install button. Installing the app is crucial as it allows you to utilize its features for tracking your health. After finding the app, proceed to install it by clicking the install button. Once installed and open, accept the terms and conditions and click next. You will see a screen with the app's terms, which you should read carefully. Accepting the terms is significant because it ensures that you understand the app's usage policies. After you accept, you can click Next to proceed further. This step is essential for getting started with the app, as it moves you into the setup phase. Now, confirm your birth year. This information is vital for the app to tailor its features to your specific needs. You will see a calendar or input field where you can enter your birth year. This helps in providing accurate insights and recommendations based on your age. Once you confirm your birth year, click Continue to move on to the next stage. Next, confirm your goals between getting pregnant, tracking pregnancy, tracking your period, and more. This step allows you to personalize your experience with the app. You will be presented with different options, and you can select one or more that resonate with your needs. Choosing your goals is important because it helps the app provide relevant features and support tailored to your reproductive health journey. After selecting your goals, click Next to proceed. After that, add your period dates. You will be prompted to input the start and end dates of your last period. This information is crucial for tracking your cycle accurately. The app will use this data to predict future cycles and provide insights. Once you have added your period dates, click Continue to save your information, ensuring that you have a solid foundation for your tracking. At this point, answer personal information such as your height and weight. This information helps the app create a more personalized health profile for you. You will see fields to enter your height and weight, which the app uses to provide tailored insights and recommendations. This step is important because the app can offer better guidance based on your unique characteristics. Once you have filled in your personal information, click Next to continue. Once logged in, click your avatar. You will find your avatar icon usually located in the top corner of the app. Clicking on your avatar takes you to your profile settings. This is a great way to review and adjust your personal information and settings. You want to ensure that everything is accurate, as it affects your experience with the app. After clicking your avatar, you can move on to the next step. Next, click Create a free account. You will see an option that prompts you to create an account for additional features. Creating an account is vital as it allows you to save your data, track your progress, and access personalized content. Once you click this option, you will be guided through the registration process. You can create using an existing Google or Apple account or use your email address, then click Continue. This flexibility makes it easy for you to register using the method you prefer. If you choose to use an email address, make sure it is one you can access. This is important for account recovery and notifications. After selecting your registration method, click Continue to proceed. Finally, once registered, click the Verify Your Email to complete the registration. You will receive an email with a verification link. Clicking this link confirms your account and enables full access to the app's features. This step is essential as it secures your account and ensures you can recover it if needed. Once you click to verify your email, your registration will be complete and you're ready to start using Flo app to its fullest potential.